Have you ever been in this situation whereby you don't, remember your admin password and you can't have access to the FortiGate firewall? For SMB devices like 40F, 51G, 71F, 60F, up to 91G of FortiGate model, you can always reset the firewall. You won't be able to reset the password again. It's because starting from 47.0, Fortinet has disabled the maintainer mode of resetting the admin password from the CLI. So the only option you have is to reset the whole firewall. And the way to go about it is that if you look at the FortiGate, 40F that I have here, you would see that on the front panel here, we have the reset button here. So on this reset button, what you need to do is just to power cycle the device. The best way to know how this works is to plug your console cable to your laptop, then launch your PuTTY so that you can see how it works. So, but what you just need to do is power cycle the device, then you get a pin and hold this place in the first 60 seconds of the device booting. So let's try it. I've connected the I've connected the console cable. So go to device manager on your system, device manager. So on device manager, you'll see on the COM port, on the ports, you see COM3, then launch your PuTTY. So on PuTTY, serial, make it COM3 and leave it as default, open. So now we have access to the CLI of device. So what you want to do is to power cycle the device. Remove the power cable and put it back. So you will see the response on the CLI. So as soon as it's done booting, just press the reset button and hold it. Then it's going to factory reset to default settings. So once this is going on, the default IP address is 192.168.1.99, and let's try and access it. So let's just monitor it. Okay. So now we're having access advanced. So admin, no password. Let's change the password to what we know. So now you have been able to change password successfully. So this is why it's very important to always back up your configurations more often so that when things like this happen, you can always load it back without any issue. Now we've been able to successfully reset this firewall because we forgot the password, which we can't change or reset again using the maintainer mode that Fortinet made available before. So thank you for watching and see you next time.